Welcome back to Natural Numbers channel. Hey guys, there's a summer bootcamp going on. It's about matching 5 numbers to win the day's jackpot. So if you are interested, just follow the link that is in the description. Subscribers of that blog, they pay $10 per month on PayPal just to keep it running, and the advantage of that is that they can cash out 4 numbers. So if you are just a follower, you supposed to cash out 5 numbers. So that's an advantage right there. So click the link in the description to go to that blog to try matching today's numbers because they'll be updated tomorrow. In this video, we have a problem of an imaginary number. The root of -1 is equal to what? So that's where we start to have imaginary numbers. The root of -1 is equal to I, which is imaginary. And I squared, therefore I squared is equals to -1. So these are the two properties of imaginary numbers that you have to keep in mind. Now let's go and do some examples, shall we? Let's take for instance x to the power 3 minus 8 equals to 0. So this one is going to have an imaginary number, but we're going to solve for that imaginary number just to see how they truly work. The next step, I'm going to have x to the power 3 minus 8 can be rewritten as 2 to the power 3. The next step, I'll write it as x minus 2 all to the power 3, which gives me a cubic equation. X minus 2 to the power 3, according to the cubic equation, I'll have x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 4. So those are my two products. To set it up for a zero product property, I'm going to have two equations, x minus 2 equal to 0 or x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Solving this first one, I'm going to have x equals to 2 as my solution. Solving the second one, we see this one is going to end up using a quadratic equation, which is going to be x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substituting those values, I'll get minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So inside the bracket, I'll have all over 2a. Inside the bracket, I'll have 4 minus 16. So that is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 12 over 2. Here we've arrived to our imaginary number. So most people, they end up here. They don't know what to do from this step. That's why I'm going to take it step further just to substitute this -12 so that you can solve this. Now, the root of -12 is the same as the root of 12 multiplied by -1. which is the root of 12 multiplied by the root of -1. Every time when I see -1, I'll pull up my notes of imaginary numbers. So it's gonna be I. Now I'll have the root of 12. 12 can be written as 4 times 3 multiplied by I. Now the root of 4 is 2 root 3 I. So that means every time when I have the root of -12, the solution should be 2 root 3I. That's what I'm going to substitute here. So -2 plus or minus the square root of -12, I'm going to substitute 2 root 3I over 2, which becomes -1 plus or minus root 3I. So those are my two solutions to this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please share this video to your friends and classmates if you still have them by this time of the month. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. We continue with more problems of imaginary numbers. Have a nice one.